Hello everyone, this is my review of this variety pack of M&Ms tubs and a Hungry Kit. This pack has peanut butter M&Ms and it comes with a peanut M&Ms. These tubs are very large and full of a lot of candy. As you can see inside, there's barely any space in there, so you're not cheated when they fill it like halfway and give you like a whole big container. But these are completely filled up. And when I open up the Hungry pack, you'll see what's in there. There's like a little bonus pack for you in the Hungry pack, which I actually like it too. So it's a nice addition to add to this bundle to make it worth getting. In the Hungry Kit has High Chew Fruit Chews, Quaker Chewy Bar, and Planters Peanuts. So let me open it up here so you can see all these little additions that you have here. Nice little bars, pretty small, but they're still good snacks that you can have. So I hope this review helps.